Hi guys, I hope you enjoyed last video as much as I did. It was fun at PTC, to be fair, and I hope you enjoy this one. I was playing with my double eagle DMP9 today, and we're at Outpost Airsoft again, so it should be good.
Please don't go that way. Up the hill.
Ow!
You alright?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
That's that.
Oh, get down, get down! There's reds over here!
Yeah, loads of them here. Loads of them, George. Yeah, keep popping his head up. Hit. Yes. Hit. One there, blue one, he's been hit.
I hit him! I hit him!
Good. We both hit him. Right, so move forward now.
Please, there's reds on the tree line! Got it.
Move forward now. I think we've got them all outside.
No, wait, because they might come back.
Let's move forward then.
They always come back.
Let's move forward then.
Go. You go, I'll hold you. Go, just run.
Wow.
I'm shooting him. Get behind cover, I'm shooting him. Move red. There's people down there. But there's loads. Wait, no, I'm reloading. All red. Yeah, there's all reds down there. There's reds down. If you go through that little hole here, just go like right here. I think you can get a few people. There's one person all the way down. Yeah, stay there, mate. Nice gun. I know exactly what gun that is. KWA E4. Yep. My mum's got it.
There's a king.
In prison.
There's one on the bridge.
I'm gonna rush down there, yeah? Do you want to come with me?
What, push on it?
Yeah! Do. You okay there? Look at your right, stay on your right. Oh, I'm gonna rush down there, yeah? Move. Can't do fallout on this.
Alright. Yeah.
there could be people from down there.
Yeah, I know. My finger, when I moved, I let go of my gun and it went on.
Oh, that was so good. There's a crack load of blues and reds.
Two on this right side.
No.
And the cans here.
Oh, it's red. No, blue.
We have, I got right round there.
Oh yeah, we got all the way down there.
And then I got killed. Went right round, didn't we? Yeah. No, not there before.
Oh, go.
Red there.
Wait, move your head, mate. Push up, blue, go on. Do you know where they are?
Can't say, can they?
I was just asking just in case.
Not allowed to. There's crack loads over there.
Don't know if we should push.
Wait, you get a proper little sneak. Keep quiet, keep quiet.
Hi guys, I hope you enjoyed part 1. And it was pretty good to be fair. But part 2 I'll upload as soon as I can. And I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos, and I hope you have a good day.